Students, we already started with the construction. In construction, we have started with the first criteria, that is side, 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 and with the second criteria, that is side, angle, side. And now we are going to start with the third criteria, that is RHS criteria construction. RHS criteria construction. Okay, so this is your third part. Okay, so I am going to take one example on RHS construction. It is construct a right angle. Example number 1, that is construct a right angle, construct a right angle triangle, that is DEF, triangle DEF. Construct a triangle DEF with angle E, with angle E is equals to 90 degree, with angle E is equals to 90 degree, and hypotenuse, that is DF, and hypotenuse DF is equals to 4.2 centimeter, 4.2 centimeter, and EF is equals to, we have 3.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is the question, that is construct a right angle triangle DEF with angle E is equals to 90 degree and hypotenuse DF is equals to 4.2 centimeter and EF is equals to 3.8 centimeter. So firstly we draw a rough figure. First we draw a rough figure. I draw a rough figure. So this I will name as DEF, that is DEF. So this is 90 degree. They said DF is equals to 4.2 centimeters. So this is the hypotenuse. EF is equals to 3.8 centimeters. So this is your rough figure. Okay, so now we start with the construction. So base they have told EF is equals to 3.8 centimeters. So just what I have to do, just we have to draw EF as 3.8 centimeters. So this is 0 to 3.8 centimeters. So this is 3.5. So this is 6, 7, 8. So this is 3.8, that is EF. So this EF is equals to, we have 3.8 centimeter. So now we need that is 3.8 centimeters. So from E we have to construct an angle of 90 degree. So by using compass we draw a 90 degree. So using protractor we see. Now we are going to start with the E. First you have to keep a compass on E. Take any radius. Just what you do, just you draw a semicircle. All of you can draw a semicircle by keeping on compass E. Now what you do, just you keep an compass on this side, don't change the radius, just cut an 2 arcs, and from this point you have to cut one more arc. Okay, from these 2 points draw one more arc to get the 90 degree angle. Okay, so this is the 90 degree angle. First what you have to do, we have to draw, you have to take EF is equals to 3.8 centimeter. Keep a compass here, take any radius, just to draw a semicircle, and after that from this point cut 2 arcs. So this will be of 60 degree and this will be of 120 degree. From these 2 arcs and from these 2 points cut an arc at the upper side, you will get this as 90 degree. Okay, so now just join this, extend this line from E. So this angle will be 90 degree. So this angle will be 90 degree. But what we want that DF, that is DF is equals to 4.2 centimeter as your hypotenuse. So we need 4.2 centimeter. So from F, keep a compass on F and just draw here as F dash is DF is equals to 4.2 centimeter. Okay, now you can join this. So this is of 4.2 centimeter and this you can give as DEF. DEF. Your hypotenuse is 4.2 centimeter, and now DEF is equals to 90 degree. Now your next aim is to write the steps of construction. So steps of construction, your first point is, that is, draw a rough sketch. First point I will write here, that is, first point, draw a rough sketch of triangle DEF. So this is your first step. Second step, you have draw a line segment EF of length 3.8 centimeter. So draw a line segment that is of EF of length 3.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is your second point. So first point, you have draw a rough sketch of triangle DEF, that is your first step. Second step, you have draw a line segment EF of length 3.8 centimeter. Third step, you have, that is, draw a ray EX. Draw a ray, that is EX. Draw a ray EX such that that is angle FEX is equals to 90 degree. So this is your third step. Fourth step we have, that is fourth one, with F as a center and radius, with F as a center and a radius, draw an arc intersecting a ray EX at a point D. Finally, fifth point, join D and F. Fifth point, that is, join D and F, that is, you will get a required triangle. DEF is the required triangle. Okay, so see here once again the question. Construct the right angle triangle DEF, and angle E is equals to 90 degree, and the hypotenuse DF is equals to 4.2 centimeter, and EF is equals to 3.8 centimeter. First thing what you have to do, you have to draw a rough sketch, that is DEF, that is angle E is equals to 90 degree. Base, that EF you have to take as 3.8 centimeter, and you have to draw an hypotenuse by keeping a compass on F, that is of 4.2 centimeter. First thing what you have to do, steps of construction. First, so before that, first I will tell this. First thing what you have to do, just you have to draw EF, that is base, as 3.8 centimeter. Keep a compass on E. Just to draw a semicircle. Of any radius. Okay, and you will get a one point here. From this point, cut two arcs. So if you cut one arc, that will be angle of 60 degree. If you take one more arc from this point, that will be 120 degree. From these 2 points, cut one more arc on the upper side, and this angle will be 90 degree. And keep a compass on F, and take the measure of compass by taking the ruler. Of the help of the ruler, just to draw an arc of 4.2 centimeters. So you will get a required triangle DEF. So I will write the steps of construction. First step, what you have to write, draw a rough sketch of triangle DEF. Second step, what you have to write, draw a line segment EF of length 3.8 centimeters. So this is your second point. Third point, draw a ray EX such that that is FEX is equals to 90 degree. 4 point with F as center and radius, draw an arc intersecting a ray EX at a point D. So fifth point, join D and F, that is you will get a required triangle. DEF is your required triangle. I hope so you understood this concept. See here one question we will solve. Check whether is it possible to construct a triangle with a given measurement. So see here, angle A is given 100 degree, AB is equals to 5 centimeter and angle B is equals to 85. Just I will draw a rough figure. That is A, B, C. Okay, so they are saying AB is equals to 5 centimeter and angle A is equals to 100 degree and angle B is equals to 85 degree. So but we know that by using the angle sum property, what our angle sum property says, 7th standard student, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Okay, but angle A plus angle B, you can see that is 100 plus 85, which is equals to, is it equals to 180? No, it is greater than 180. So that is 185 is greater than 180, means we can write what we can, hence it is not possible to construct the triangle, hence it does not hold the angle sum property, hence it does not possible to construct a triangle ABC with a given measurement, So see here, check whether is it possible to construct a triangle ABC with a given measurement. Angle A they are given as 100 and AB is equals to 5 centimeter and angle B is equals to 85. But we know by using the angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. But we know that angle A is equals to 100, angle B is equals to 85. So 100 plus 85 is 185. So 185 is greater than 180. Hence it does not hold the angle sum property. Hence it does not possible to construct a triangle ABC with a given measurement. I hope so you understood all these concepts of RHS rule. So in the next video we are going to start with one more concept, that is your last concept, that is two angles and one base will be given.